Hi everyone, let's see how can we create a MCP server, basic MCP server. So first I have imported the FastMCP from mcp.server.fastmcp, and then I have created a FastMCP instance whose name is basic MCP server. Okay, as we know that MCP server has multiple tools, so here we are just adding two very basic tools, and we can just add the tools like @mcp.tool, and we can just give the description of the tool. It is like very important to give the description of the tool, and then we can just define the function like as here I have given as add as a tool. So it will take two arguments, int a and b, will gonna return the a plus b. Similarly, I have created a subtract tool that will gonna subtract two numbers. Okay, after that I can just run it mcp.run transport ssc. So here we are using ssc, server side events, as a transport. Okay, let's see how can we run this one. Okay, so I can just run this Python file. So we can see like it has started on 8000 port, but we cannot see it's not like a REST API, or we can just see it on a Swagger. So just to inspect the MCP server, we have the one of the npm package MCP's model context protocol inspector. Like by using this we can just see our MCP server. So let me just run this command npx. Yeah, so it will gonna like open this for me, and here I can see like transport type is ssc, url is this, that what we have given. Like once I connect, so I can see like if I just go in the tools, it will gonna list give me option of list tool. I can see there are two tools, one is add, another is subtract. So if I just click on the add tool, I can see that it is going to take two arguments a and b. Like I can just 10 and 5, and if I just run tool, it will gonna give me the output as 10 5. It will gonna give me output as 15. You can see in the next video we'll gonna see how can we deploy this one. Thank you.